Hi everyone, Jane Cyr here from the Cyr Team with the Cyr Team Minute. So I want to talk about what's going on in the real estate market. You probably heard it's a hot market. Houses are going fast, which they are. But, it really overwhelms people because they don't want to put their house in the market because they're not sure how that's going to happen. So if you work with us, we have a plan. We have everything detailed out for you step by step. Easy peasy. It makes it less overwhelming for our clients. So if you're thinking about selling your house, please don't hesitate to DM us. We would love to help you. If you think about buying a house, same thing. The market's crazy, but reach out to us. We'll get you all situated with the mortgage pre-approval and all the steps that you may have to buy a house. So no worries. Give us a call. We'd love to help you. And by the way, if you have friends or family that live out of state, they're thinking about making a real estate move, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We have great agents all over the country that would love to give you guys great customer service. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Take care.